guys, highway, yeah man, to the toll, you know, as we may show you how the place look, you know, you have to view this, you know, yeah, give you a next spin around. So you say Ken, what go on, the place nice?
Yeah man, yes, good. Outside today.
So if the car don't have no gas, you know, or if it have no spare tire, you know, everything have to check. Because you go on them far journey, you know. I tell you. You understand?
So we are going to drive about 2.5 hours straight.
Pick up on that.
We are going to on the highway for about 45 minutes and through a couple of towns, and today I Saturday, you know, the road might stay away through Mandeville town. And then we go through Porus and then look a place there. Out here for a while.
Yeah, spin around.
Yeah, look at housing scheme pop up all over the place.
Nice. And they look like some one bedroom.
Yeah, some one bedroom. See like the black nut chopper just box them up on cars them.
And that me I say, seriously. Coming up on the next sign, watch Spanish Town. Tell you about it guys, as we may show you, say the place nice now. Frankie TV I get the exclusive, you know, real vibes, you know, I tell you, yeah. Time you reach to the toll, you know say everything good, yeah. Close to a journey. Yeah, man. Put up a strong to take on them road there now.
So them put in some pipeline for the side.
Yeah.
I start them have a start the next scheme, a housing scheme project over there. So
Pick up.
nobody in a town and close out man. Yeah, and ladies getting allergies and anything.
Only for doctor to see.
Yeah. You know they get the oxygen, the fresh oxygen from the tree them.
Nice day today, you know. Today is Saturday, you know. Yes, guys, as we may show you, place nice. You understand? We don't call it road trip. Yeah, man, we have on a road trip. You understand? Whole heap of excitement I have one, man. Beach, river, pool, everything you get to them. All inclusive. Yeah, man, no joke about it.
Them say the garden parish where I go.
Yeah, man.
Or the fruit basket parish.
We say right now, if we have we have a fishing, we have rod, we have net, we have everything at shore. Yeah, man. Real talk. No joke. Understand? Yeah, next spin around, let you see the road again.
Before we reach the first one now, cause
Yeah. Yes, guys, we're coming up to the toll road, toll booth. Yeah, man. Yeah, toll vibes I know, as I may show you. Yeah. Yeah, spin around the festival face. Alright. Don't know the thing set in a nice. Yeah, next spin around, you can see the toll. Yeah. Yeah, man. 550. Everything I fly today, you know. Drone, everything I fly. You get what me I say? But not tell no lie. Yeah, man. Car a fly, plane a fly, drone a fly, everything a fly today.
So one of the smart dog them still, you have some dog that full them belly in your yard and when them to come out them can't come out.
True.
That's the difference between town dog and country dog. A country dog, anyway, you see food, they say I eat it.
That's true.
But you see town dog now, the town dog can pick it up and carry it, a female go eat it.
That's true. True. You say Kingston dog, them stay in the yard and full them and can't come out.
That's the country dog then.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can't believe that. Yeah, spin around guys and make you see what's happening all over the place.
Morning time.
See class 1 550. Toll road this
Big up.
yeah, 360. Spin around. So the place look. Tell you about it, you know, guys. Everything a fly today. No joke. Yeah, man, serious. You see me when me a talk. Everything a fly today. Me not tell no lie. Drone a fly, car a fly, plane a fly, everything a fly today. Yeah, man. No joke. Yes, guys, we in Santa.
But they were going to put on all the 2 men for Jason.
Oh, we are saying we're in Santa Cruz now. We know show you. Yeah, spin around, man. Yeah, Santa Cruz town. We're in. Yeah, yeah, spin around, make you see how the place nice. Yeah. This is how the place looking, guys. As we may show you how the vibes stay. Tell you about it, how the place nice and how the place look, as you can see. Yeah, a lot of people in the town, you know. Yeah, we're there near to the stoplight. Yeah. Clock that we just passed. Yeah. See how the town look, guys. Santa Cruz town, this, you know. Yeah. And the yeah, man, clean and nice, man. Sweep up. Yeah, man. As you can see how the place look. People out and about. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, man. Santa Cruz town. Yes, guys, as we may show you, still I do the road trip. So I tell you, say we're in Santa Cruz, place well developed, you know. Yeah, watch this guy. Yeah. What it looks like, you know, real vibes as we show you. And the bleach out here, white, cartel. Them look different, like the road change up our market side here, so you know.
CH.
Yeah. And then at the yard.
Yeah, him.
Okay.
And him carry the things on from upstairs and come left in the yard. And he has some here today. Market.
Oh, okay.
The yard has storage, you know.
Okay. Exclusive vibes, you know, as I'm showing you guys how the place look, you know. Santa Cruz. Yeah. look out. Friendly me, look out, a friend killer.